Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Check your platform and that Fortnite is running. Open Settings and go straight to the input section for your device. Once there, locate the Auto Run or Auto Walk toggle and the key or button bound to it. If the control is bound to a macro or controller feature, unbind it immediately. Make sure to apply settings and test in a lobby. This prevents accidental movement during gameplay and confirms the change took effect. Once done disabling the toggle, you need to remove hidden bindings and external interference. You should reset any suspect keybind to default and inspect mouse or controller software for stored macros that trigger auto walk. If using a controller, disconnect and reconnect it. This clears stuck inputs and profile conflicts. Then relaunch Fortnite and retest movement in a safe area. If auto walk persists, create a clean temporary profile, finish by thoroughly testing. Hop into creative and watch movement for 30 seconds with no HUD. Make sure no background apps are sending input, close overlays, and input managers. If problems remain, reinstall controller drivers or verify Fortnite's input profile integrity via Epic Launcher settings. As a troubleshooting tip, try a second controller or keyboard. If the issue stops, the original device is faulty. If the bug continues across devices, submit a support ticket with reproduction steps and your system/input logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.